Justin Lobato here inside of the wonderful Autogeek show car garage today, and we're here to talk about the Pinnacle Ultra Poly Clay kit. Now, the good thing about this kit is that you're getting everything you need to clay your vehicle, starting with, of course, the clay lubricant, and then, of course, the famous Pinnacle Ultra Poly Clay. And I say famous because this clay is very unique. As you see, I'm continuing to play with it because it's more of a fidget for me. I love being able to knead it up like dough and enjoy. However, this clay is one of those unique clays that's unlike any other clay on the market because it's probably one of the finest clays, but it still gives you results as almost a medium clay will in performance with removing, I would say light to medium surface contaminants, and in some cases also some overspray, and it does very well in that category, along with being able to reduce the amount of marring that is done with your paint like traditional clay does. So this is going to help reduce the amount of steps after washing clay in the vehicle that you would have to exercise, whether it be one step or compound and polish. This will reduce that because this clay is so fine and the elasticity of it is amazing. As you can see here, look at that. It doesn't just pull apart immediately or just break like some of the other traditional clays. So it allows you to be able to knead it, fold it, and do everything you need to continue to use it. And you get multiple uses out of this clay, which is amazing. And this is something that is very beneficial, again, to removing surface contaminants on your vehicle surface to help prep it for some of your best wax, paint sealant, or ceramic coating, whatever it may be that you're going to be moving forward with. Now, again, with this kit, you get the clay lubricant. The thing I like about this clay lubricant is that this stuff is amazing in the lubricity that it offers to the surface. So that helps in aiding the whole purpose of reducing the marring as your clay bar in the surface. Along with that, you could come back with it, spray it on the towel or spray it on the surface and remove any of the light clay residue that may be on there, any light fingerprints, smudges, anything of that nature. This is very useful for that in that process. So when you're looking to want to clay your vehicle and you want to use one of the best clays on the market, this is where you need to look up the Pinnacle Ultra Clay kit, and that will provide you with the clay lubricant, the Ultra Poly Clay, and of course 2 towels as well to satisfy the job. So any more information you need about Pinnacle or of course the Pinnacle Ultra Poly Clay kit, visit autogeek.com.